Okay, well here's a, what is it today? It's 151 Tuesday, January 23, 2018. Really quick unbox and play video. This just arrived today, so I thought I'd well, anyway, just gotta unbox this because having this box with all this stuff over it, it's just not any good right at the moment. This, there we go. See if I manage it hanging. Who knows? Alright, so let me get this eBay tape from. Now this is really, what's this? Ooh, power cord, right side. That's nice. You didn't need to package it like that, but that's nice. Okay, so I'll just show it pretty good. Okay, so alright, so here's the handle. Oh, it's just, okay, wow. Yeah, I can reuse all this plastic material. That's lovely. I can even stand it up on here. Let's see here. Here's the, you can see that, right? This has the, oh, very nice, the famous missing battery cover. Great. And it doesn't have any antennas, but I have a helix I can steal the antennas off of. No screws. Okay. And voila. There it is. It's one of these. Alright, so like I said, unboxing. Oh, damn. Well, I hope it's got the, oh, I don't have the tuning knob. Oh no. I didn't ask about that. Oh no. I hope it's got the tuning knob in here. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing here. Oh, shucks. That's annoying. That, this, that, this. Oh, gosh darn. I have to find it. Well, let's look in here. Hopefully there's a tuning knob in this thing because it was supposed to be complete. Alright, so, oh gosh. Oh man. Alright, so, oh, wait, oh there it is. Yay, lovely. Thank you very much for packaging this like this. So there's the tuning knob. Woohoo. Alrighty, yay. Now we can put, it's just a ribbed tuning knob, so it just goes on any old way. Great, so, okay, so now, let's see here, put the stuffing back in the box, quick. Okay, great, so, now, this out of the way, that out of the way, put it up here, okay. So now, where's the power thing go in? Goes in the back. So, there it is. There we go. Let's see here. Tape auxiliary radio. Let's see here. Volume. No sound. Well, it is turned on power-wise. Well, let's try the eject. There's eject. Okay, the motor's running, so it's got power, but spindles are not turning. Let's see. Fast forward is turning. Rewind is turning. Play. Okay, so I can feel it wanting to turn. So it probably needs a new either tire or something like that. Don't know. Okay, so oh, it's on. I can make it. Moving on, she's rocking. Wait, there's a bit. Same lips that be kissing. Saying what they say they are, and they look think they catfishing. Same, so it's sunny shots, they beat. Okay, I haven't got time to figure this all out, but at least that side works. Hopefully I can get the rest of it to work. It's got everything to it. Look at that, there's some tape. There's some tape right there from an old cassette. Evidently ripped off. Let's see here. Eject. Yeah, here's some old tape. You see that? Oh, that's nifty. Okay. Well, gotta put it away for right now. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna have fun with this later. Not right now. Bye-bye.